Hi, I'm going to show you how to use markers and make your life easier. Make your job of video editing a lot simpler so you can easily find things. So if you're proofing a video, you're watching it and you want to know what stage you got to, or you might have got to a stage, want to move things around, I'm going to show you how to make that easier. So on this scale here over on the right hand side, I can move it bigger, smaller. You can see it move in there. So if I was to move my cursor over to there and press M on the keyboard, once I've got the clip highlighted, I press M on the keyboard. You can see a little marker there. See, it's got a number on there. So if I move the cursor over again, you can also go up here to add a marker. And when you go down to that marker and you place your cursor over it, you can see that it's got a mark on the timeline with the date, with the time on the video. So it's 51 seconds, 25 milliseconds, marker number 2. So you can make a note of these markers and say, just by moving along, you can see where you are. So if you do a right click, you can edit that marker. You can put colours on there. Look. You can give it a different name. So like Spitfire plane flying in. And I'll change that to that colour. And then I can see exactly where my marker is. I've named it as well. So it's got a lot of advantages, this. There's a video at the end that explains how to use CapCut for PC for beginners. If you want to learn more, go watch that. I've also got a playlist on the end so you can learn a lot more in my videos on how to use CapCut. If you save that playlist, if you subscribe, turn on the notifications. Whenever more videos come out like this, you can watch them to improve your video editing. Thanks for watching.